Good morning, guys. This is your French teacher, and I am going to teach you a lesson from class 8th, right? And that is Une Boum. So, I'm going to teach you on my YouTube channel, that is French lesson. So, guys, please, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe it, and please comment below, right? So, let's get started. So now I am going to read and interpret this chapter for you. Okay. Caroline organise une boum pour son anniversaire. Ses parents donnent la permission. Elle invite tous les amis. Elle envoie des invitations et elle téléphone à ses copains. Ils viennent chez elle samedi à 16h. Right? So now I'm going to interpret it, and the meanings of this word I will add it on the screen. You can see it on the screen, right? So no problem, right? Caroline organize a party. Boum means party for her birthday anniversary, right? Ses parents donnent la permission. Her parents gives the permission, right? So it's so simple. The words which you don't know, or the tough words, I will give the meaning as well, and I will edit it, so there is no problem. Okay. Elle invite tous les amis. She invites all the friends, right? Ami means friends. Elle envoie des invitations. Envoie means to send. Envoyer verb is the infinitive of this verb envoie, and you know, guys, when we use in sentence, we conjugate it every time as per the noun, right? Its gender and number. Elle envoie, she sends the invitations, and elle téléphone à ses copains, and she telephones to her classmates, right? Her friends. Elle vient chez elle samedi à 6h. They are coming at her place on Saturday at 4 o'clock. Right? Chez elle means at her place, at her home. Vient, this is the conjugation of venir verb, so it means they are coming or they comes, right? For the same thing they use for present indefinite and present continuous, right? So both are correct. They come or they are coming, right? Avant la boum, before the party. Avant means before. Elle range le salon means drawing room. Range means arrange. She arranges the drawing room. Sa mère prépare beaucoup de plats délicieux. Plat means dishes. Beaucoup means a lot. Her mother prepares a lot of delicious dishes, right? Caroline aide sa mère. Caroline helps her mother. Aid means to help. Either verb is the infinitive of this verb. This is ER category verb, right? So read it carefully and note down all the verbs, okay? And try to learn all the basic verbs, the very common verbs which are used very often. So learn the verb with its conjugation, right? Son père achète un grand gâteau d'anniversaire. Right? Means her father buys a big cake for anniversary. Right? Grand means big or great. Acheter means to buy. C'est un gâteau au chocolat parce que Caroline aime le gâteau au chocolat. This is a chocolate cake. Gâteau au chocolat means chocolate cake because Caroline loved the chocolate cake, right? Elle emprunte plusieurs disques, the rock, the jazz, and the rap. Means she uh, borrows lots of CDs of rock, jazz, and rap music, right? So she gets all these things for one day, for party. Ils vont danser et s'amuser means they are going to dance and enjoy themselves. Now this is, be careful, this is reflexive verb, right? S'amuser means to enjoy oneself. So here it means enjoy themselves. Caroline va recevoir beaucoup de cadeaux. Caroline is going to receive a lot of cadeaux means gifts. Perfume, livre, books. Boucle d'oreille means earrings. Collier means necklace. Bracelet means bracelet, same in English. Fleur means flower, that you already know. It's so simple, etc. La soirée commence à 16h et elle finit à 21h. The evening party, soirée means evening party, commence, starts at 4 o'clock and it will finish at 9 o'clock, right? The next is Manuel va offrir un cadeau à Caroline, mais il ne sait pas quoi, right? Manuel is going to offer a gift to Caroline, but means but he don't know. Ne sait pas means he doesn't know what should he give her. Quoi means what or which. Elle téléphone à Nathalie. He telephones to Nathalie, la meilleure amie de Caroline, the best friend of Caroline. La meilleure means the best friend of the best friend of the Caroline. Il décroche appelle. He dialed the numbers, okay? Et il compose le numéro, okay? Décroche. Il décroche l'appel et il compose le numéro. It means il décroche l'appel et il compose le numéro. He gets the phone receiver and he dial the number. Le téléphone sonne. The telephone rings. Now please turn the page. Tournez la page s'il vous plaît. Tous les étudiants, allez. Now go ahead. Right? On the next chapter, Manuel says, guess. Manuel says, allô, c'est le 02 35 71 57 9 6 9. He's saying that hello. He's confirming the number. That is it. The number 0235715769. Nathalie says, oui, qui est? Yes, who is this? Manuel says, Nathalie. Ici c'est Manuel. Nathalie, here is Manuel. Nathalie, allô Manuel, ça va? Hello Manuel, are you fine? À quelle heure vas-tu chez Caroline? At what time are you going to the Caroline's place? Right? She's asking him. Okay, now Manuel replies, à 6 heures, mais je ne sais pas quoi offrir à Caroline comme cadeau. At 6 o'clock, but je ne sais pas, I don't know. Ne sais pas means I don't know. I have mentioned it already. Quoi, what offer to Caroline as a gift? Cadeau means gift. Again the same word. Nathalie, ne t'inquiète pas, elle aime lire. You don't worry. Ne t'inquiète pas means you don't worry. She loves to read. Lire again this is a ER category verb. So please take care, right? Read this verb learn this verb with the conjugation, right? Next, génial. It's great. Je vais offrir un roman I am going to offer a novel. Merci Nathalie, au revoir. Thanks Nathalie, see you. Okay, again, au revoir means bye bye, right? And it means see you again also. Okay, right. Nathalie, au revoir Manuel, à bientôt. See you. Goodbye Manuel, and see you soon. À bientôt, see you soon. Right. So guys, this is the chapter I have read for you, and I hope you understand everything. If you have still any doubt, any query, if you want to ask anything, the meaning of any sentence, you can send me a text on comment box, and you can ask me anything there, right? So please feel free, ask any question, any query, right? So I hope all of you have got what I have taught, and the question answers I will do on my next video, right? So this is enough for this video. I hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe my channel, and please share it with your friends, among your friends who are also learning French in class 8th, right? So meet you in next topic, next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.